What if I told you that you can create amazing AI videos without spending a single dollar? Sounds too good to be true? Stay with me because today I'll show you exactly how to use free AI tools like InVideo AI, Pictory, Veed.io, HeyGen, and CapCut to generate your videos. Hi everyone! If you've ever wanted to make videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or your business, but thought it would cost money or take too long, this video is for you. Let's go through 5 simple ways to start creating AI videos for free. Step 1. Pick a free AI video tool. First, choose a free AI video maker. Great options include InVideo AI for creating videos from a simple prompt, Pictory for turning scripts into videos, Veed.io for easy editing, HeyGen for AI avatars, and CapCut for quick AI-powered video creation. Start with the one that feels easiest to use. You don't need expensive software. Step 2. Write a simple script. Don't overthink it. Write a few short sentences about your topic. Imagine you're explaining something to a friend. Short and clear works best. Then paste your script into tools like InVideo AI, Pictory, or HeyGen to get started. Step 3. Let AI create the video. Now let the AI do the hard work. These tools can generate scenes, visuals, subtitles, background music, and even voiceovers automatically. In just a few minutes, InVideo AI, Pictory, Veed.io, or HeyGen can produce a complete draft that's ready for you to review. Step 4. Make it your own. Take a few minutes to customize your video. With Veed.io or CapCut, you can change the music, swap images, edit captions, adjust colors, or add your logo. Small changes can make your video stand out and match your style. Step 5. Share everywhere. Once you're happy with your video, download it and post it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. One great video can reach thousands of people across multiple platforms. If you like any of the tools I mentioned, I've left links in the description so you can try them yourself. That's it. You don't need expensive equipment or advanced editing skills to start making great videos. All you need is a good idea and one of these free AI tools. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more simple AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.